Hello friends, welcome back to our channel K2N Family. Today I'm going to show you a very yummy and tasty snack which is beef samosa, and to do that let's go and start it. So first we will prepare the masala, and for that I'm using half teaspoon of cumin seed, 6 to 8 cloves, half teaspoon of peppercorn, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 1 inch of ginger, 6 to 7 garlic cloves, 2 to 3 green chilies, and a handful of fresh coriander. To grind this, I'll be using 2 tablespoons of vinegar. So now I'm going to grind this to a very smooth paste. So our masala is ready now. Here I've got 500 grams of beef mince, and now I'm going to season it with the salt. In here I'm going to use half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Use a half lime juice. And now I'm going to add the whole masala. Now I'm going to mix all this well together and well marinate it and leave it aside for 30 minutes so it gets well marinated. So in a pan, let's take 2 tablespoons of oil. Now we're going to put all the mince, and we're not going to add any water to this. So we're going to cook this mince. As I've said, we're not going to add any water because the meat will release its water by itself, and for the samosa we are looking to make it something very dry. As you see, the water has been released now, so we are going to cook this until the water is completely dry, and then we are going to fry this mince. So as you see now, the water is completely drained. Now I'm going to add a little bit more oil, and we're going to fry this for another 5 minutes. I'm going to add 1 finely chopped onion. So as you see now, I have not overcooked the onions. They are perfectly done, like the way how it's supposed to be. I've just cooked it for 5 minutes, and I've checked the seasoning. It's perfectly okay. Now at the end I'm going to add some coriander and just mix it well together all. And this is done. So friends, now we're going to do the samosa filling. This is the pastry sheet which is easily available in the market, and this is how it looks like. So what we are going to do is we are going to unfold one layer at a time. So just gently keep your finger, and here you go. This is how it's going to be. Now I'm going to show you how we have to fold this. As you see this point, I'm going to take it to one line over here. This is the edge, and you see this triangle forming out over here. So you can adjust accordingly until this triangle is formed. Give a press, then apply some little bit water. Now from this side, we're going to hold it, and we're going to bring it same to the line over here, as you see this. Turn over. Now you see the pocket is already been formed over here. Now we are going to do the filling of the mince. You can fill as much as you like for yourself. Now apply a little bit water on top over here and close the pocket. Now we're going to apply the water for the rest. And we're going to bring it straight over here on this line. It automatically comes. And on the top side, we apply again, and you see, we just seal it. So our samosa fillings are ready now. Now we have to deep fry them. So now let's go and deep fry it. So friends, let's check if our oil is hot. We throw a small piece over here. And if you see if it's come up, it's already hot. Now let's leave the samosas in. So friends, the samosas takes only 2 to 3 minutes to get fried. And as you see, our samosa getting ready now. And friends, if you have liked our recipe, please show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Until then, God bless you all, and my final word to say, adios.